not drunk, but yes, we're making a whiskey smash.
It's okay to think we're drunk, though. That means we're having fun.
Right.
And you're not, so suck it.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Derek and Ian today are going to show you how to make the whiskey smash.
We got everything?
I don't know. I'm sick of fucking trying to figure it out. So we're going to make a drink for you. We're probably going to wing it as we go because we get distracted easy by listening objects. The whiskey smash is going to be, in this case, half a lemon cut into wedges, 4 to 8 mint leaves, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 2 ounces of bourbon. We're going to use Knobb Creek single barrel because the submitter, Steven Foisey, suggested we do that. Oh, I haven't done executive producers at all. How many videos have we done? Just one?
Dos.
I don't remember. Our executive producer for this episode is going to be, oh, it's Steven Foisey! Well, okay, same person that submitted the video. He's in chat, banning people. Or maybe we can get him, does he have permissions? He doesn't have permissions to ban people yet. He submitted this recipe. The whiskey smash is unique in the fact that it can be made in a million different ways. Yes. It's basically a whiskey smash with a bunch of stuff. Typically, it's kind of like...
it's like a whiskey sour, but you're smashing lemons instead of adding lemon juice.
Yeah. It's like if you took a mojito and a mule, any of those type of drinks that have mint, citrus. Pim's Cup is another good one. You're using simple syrup like you would with any of those recipes, and you're using whiskey.
Somebody else makes them.
Yeah, Pim's Cup's a pain in the balls.
I'm going to go halfway and use the 6 mint leaf option.
Why, you don't like my mint leaves?
Well, you said 4 to 8.
Oh, so you're going right now?
I can do...
So,
do you prefer mint to your drink?
Sure. I don't know.
7. Let's live dangerously.
Mint for garnish. So look, we can even use the top of this. All I have is a box cutter over here. I can even use the top of this for a garnish. This is from AwesomeDrinks.com. See, I use this to pack everybody's orders when they use coupon code July 18 to save 18% off until August 10th.
That's a long time. You know what happens August 10th?
Oh.
What happens August 10th? My hand
First day of Boston Comic Con!
Now you can smash.
I just smashed. We're making a smash.
No, the yellow text. So the way we make this drink is we're gonna in a muddler.
We'll just round that up.
In a shaker. Oh,
that's
what?
3.
What do you mean
shied away
rounding
from
up?
that one. That's what happens when you flinched.
Now, I'm gonna pretend that never happened. Watch this. So what are you gonna do in a shaker?
Jump cut.
So you're gonna muddle a lemon with simple syrup.
Jump cut the bad memories away.
Yeah, you can't do that because they're still hers. So you're gonna muddle simple syrup and lemons together. You're gonna add mint leaves. You're gonna muddle gently right over the top of your mint, over the top of your citrus. That mint is gonna express its beautiful oils into your drink. Don't grind it up into a pulp. That's not how you muddle. I have a video on muddling. I can't use my other hand, so I might as well do this.
Be gentle.
You already added whiskey?
Yeah. I'm a fast mover in the shaker. This is the shaking part. I already did the moving part.
Just in case you were confused.
I am confused.
New game, take a shot.
Here's your game, everybody. Anytime Ian streams jump cut, you gotta take a shot.
Let's start off right. Jump cut!
It's
not a vacuum seal.
Get some seal going on.
You hear the seal?
Yeah.
I hear it. Also, if you over muddle your mint, you're gonna get bitterness because the chlorophyll is actually bitter. So if you didn't watch the video I already pointed to,
we can dump or we can double strain over crushed ice. What do you prefer?
I say dump. It's a smash, right? Smash is like gonna need more ice.
But so the reason I would probably double strain this instead after I've poured it is just because this lemon was extremely seedy.
I don't care.
Okay.
We'll strain it for our teeth. Lemons tend to be seedy.
Not all of them are that seedy.
I need more ice than that.
This was like from the wrong side of the tracks.
It grew up over there.
It grew up over there.
It's
that
like
lemon was from
anal.
Lowell.
It's like anal without washing first.
Oh, now you're gonna insult anybody from Lowell.
Okay, it was from wherever DJ's from then. I don't know.
We'll just keep with that.
All right. So here's what we're gonna do.
Just get DJ.
All right, so you're gonna slap your mint. That's gonna get some of the oils to come out, and you're gonna get a mintiness to go with the flavors.
That's a beautiful drink.
Oh yeah, I should probably think about that. Yeah, that's a good shot. All right, it is. Oh, yep, 120. So
that's right.
We're using, and I prefer high proof in this. Although if you're at a pool, I would go a little lower on that. 120 proof small batch single barrel Knobb Creek Reserve.
That's pretty good because the oakiness comes out of this a little bit, which is really nice.
Oak, butter, mint, like a little bit of vanilla, citrus. This is not a pool drink. This is like everybody's done at the pool. The sun's gone down, and this is the drink you have.
This is
you can't drink this at the pool. Yeah, if you
This
drink
is
this
a
at the
dusk
pool, you're gonna die.
The sun's gotta be going
It's
down.
gotta.
Yeah, but just picture like sitting at the pool or the beach,
Yeah.
and the sun's going down, and you're sipping on that.
Right.
That's good.
This is a 1 or 2, and then you're gonna need to try and find a different drink, like mojitos or something, to kind of hydrate yourself after this destruction you're getting to your soul. This is a lot of alcohol.
It is. It's okay, Mike. You can binge watch us anytime you want.
Everybody can binge watch. Binge.
Jump cut.
It's if you keep rewinding,
Ooh.
you get to do the jump cut over and over.
If you want to keep taking shots, you can rewind as much as you want.
Dan will have some time on stories about CD.
He's going with his family, but probably still.
So, are you going to be around next month? Did I already ask you if you're going to be here like the first weekend of August? I think Dan is. Dan hasn't committed yet because he keeps telling me how he's going to go to Virginia.
I have a family reunion on the last weekend of July, I think.
That's not the first week of
That's
August.
not-
It's
the
in
first
Jackman.
weekend?
So
Does it start with AUG? Like
no,
Og?
but it might end.
It's
can't
like
remember.
on a Saturday. I think it's like the 3rd of August. I'm thinking to do a live stream.
I think I'll be here for that.
So next month, you
Then
probably
the
wouldn't like
the
it
weekend
anyway.
after that is Boston Comic Con. So
That's
So
not
that
me.
one's
anything.
out.
that one's out.
Good. I don't want to do that one anyway. But I was
No
thinking,
puedo.
you don't like
Mi amigo.
mezcal, right?
No puedo.
I want to do a
No
mezcal month.
I can't.
Mezcal month. Mezcal.
Okay.
Mezcal month.
Yeah.
All right, I'll be sure.
I wanted to make sure Dan was around. I didn't want to do it this month because I know Dan likes mezcal
He
more
does
than
like
you.
mezcal more than me, so.
So I want to make sure that both of you guys were here. The straight of the line and the lover and then me. To have like a little bit of everything.
All right. Different
Mezcal.
perspectives.
Yes, different
And Jen loves
perspectives.
mezcal, so maybe we'll get her on camera.
Yeah.
It is her birthday day. Maybe we should get her on camera.
No, Jen's not going.
So everybody can wish her a happy birthday.
Oh,
to your
By
face.
the time it comes out, it won't be my
I'm
birthday.
talking about the live stream people.
They've already wished me happy birthday.
But they didn't see your smiling face.
I forgot all my stuff again.
Jump cut!
You should subscribe to the show. There's a subscribe button that flies up in every video. That's your reminder. You should go watch it. Our executive producer, I said, was Steve, so it doesn't count.
Does it fly up like do a barrel roll on Google Chrome?
No, I don't have that much motion graphics experience. Did I do the coupon code? July 18th is the coupon code for AwesomeDrinks.com, where you can get cool stuff like that jigger and the bartender kit, which you'll see at the end of the video. I like that drink.
It's pretty damn good.
This is like what a whiskey sour would be in the summertime for me. It's not. This is not that dryness. It doesn't have like that the warmth. It has the jumpy, minty, lemon. I'm into this. Oh, but I think I'm starting to see Two of Ian like type of thing.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Lucky you.
Well, there you
It's
go.
gotta take up your whole field of vision though. I feel bad. For you.
Well, there you go. Wait, no, that's not what you say. And there's that,
And there's that, which is nice.
which is nice. Question of the day: what's your if you had a birthday? What would be your birthday cocktail? Like, what is the cocktail that you go for?
Someone should answer that here first.
I don't have one.
Jennifer's birthday cocktail is one that she doesn't have to make. So it's going to have mezcal in it. Right now, I'm going to say it's that mezcal drink that we made with
That was pretty good.
maybe we'll have to make it on the show next month. With
weed?
cardamom
Oh,
pods.
cardamom, okay.
No,
Weed.
close.
I just figured I
But,
couldn't see clearly. Trying to play it up a little bit.
but instead, no, cardamom
Thanks
pods.
for playing along.
Muddled cardamom pods. Think about that. That will be next month in the
I won't be able to
mezcal
stop
drink.
thinking about that.
That's right. He's in love with the cardamom. He's like, yeah. I guess that's it. We pretty much fucking wasted your time for 20 minutes.
I'm going to continue to waste your time. If you have Google Chrome, type into the search, do a barrel roll. And hit enter.
I remember that from a long time ago.
Yeah, you have Chrome, right?
Yeah, but I'm recording. It's
Yeah, do it
YouTube show.
afterwards.
Sidebar, more videos down below. The AwesomeDrinks starter kit for those that need to become home bartenders. You want to be able to shake stuff. You want to be able to cool.
I want to be a bartender now. I have some free time.
At home?
I could bartend establishment.
Establishment. There you go.
If there's any establishments
visit
around
you.
here. Nice.
We can all visit Ian while he's working.
I don't know if you want to hire me or not, but I do come with a built-in patron.
There you go.
I have a customer.
It'll get you the job.
It'll get you a customer. Just saying.
And you got that going for you.
So you got that going for you. Could probably work in some free pub on the YouTube show.
We'll teach you how to drink.